Welcome to our comparison video. Today we'll be comparing Wix, GoHighLevel, and WordPress, three popular website building platforms. Let's start with features. Wix is known for its drag and drop website builder, allowing anyone to create a stunning website with no coding needed. GoHighLevel, on the other hand, is an all-in-one marketing platform with a full suite of tools designed for agencies. WordPress is an open source platform that offers thousands of plugins and themes and is highly customizable, which makes it popular with developers. Next, let's talk about pricing. Wix offers a free plan and several premium plans starting at $14 per month. GoHighLevel has a single plan that costs $97 per month, but it includes a wide range of marketing tools. WordPress itself is free, but you'll need to pay for hosting, which can range from $3 to hundreds of dollars per month, and premium themes and plugins can add to the cost. User experience is an important aspect to consider. Wix has an intuitive editor that's easy to use. GoHighLevel's interface is a bit more complex due to its extensive features, but it offers a lot of tutorials and guides. WordPress has a steeper learning curve, especially for those without coding knowledge, but its flexibility and power are appreciated by many users. Now, let's discuss integrations. Wix integrates with a number of third-party apps, but not as many as WordPress, which has plugins for almost everything. GoHighLevel, while not having as many integrations, does integrate well with a wide range of marketing tools, which can be a big plus for agencies. Performance is another key comparison point. Wix websites can sometimes be slower due to their heavy reliance on JavaScript. GoHighLevel provides good performance, but the focus is more on the marketing tools than on website speed. WordPress, when properly optimized, can deliver high-performance websites. Security is crucial in today's digital landscape. Wix handles security for you, minimizing the risk. GoHighLevel also takes care of security, but its focus on marketing tools may leave some security aspects to be desired. WordPress is secure, but being open source, it can be vulnerable if not properly maintained and updated. Support and scalability are also important. Wix and GoHighLevel both offer solid support, but WordPress, due to its open source nature, relies on community support. However, WordPress offers great scalability, as you can add as many features as you need. Wix and GoHighLevel have some limits on scalability. Based on our comparison, the winner is WordPress. Although it has a steeper learning curve, its customizability, scalability, extensive integrations, and strong performance make it a powerful choice for those willing to put in the time to learn it. However, Wix and GoHighLevel still have their strengths and could be better choices depending on your needs. Thank you for watching our comparison video. We hope it has been useful in helping you decide between Wix, GoHighLevel, and WordPress. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more comparison videos like this one.